In our previous video or previous lesson, we've started discussing about pure psychology, where we explained what pure psychology is. So let's go direct to the branches. The branches of pure psychology also is divided into 8 categories or 8 groups, which are general psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, experimental psychology, psychological psychology, or physiological psychology, parapsychology, geopsychology, developmental psychology. So let's discuss it, or let's talk about it one after the other. General psychology. This is the relatively large field of psychology which deals with the fundamental rules, principles, and theories of psychology in relation to the study of behavior of normal adult human beings. Abnormal psychology. This is the behavior or is the branch of psychology which describes and explains the behavior of abnormal people in relation to the environment or relation to their environment, the causes, symptoms, and syndromes. Description and treatment of the abnormal behavior from the subject matter of this branch. Social psychology is a branch of psychology that deals with the group behavior and interrelationship of the peoples among themselves. Groups, dynamics, links, dislike, interests, and attitudes, social distance, and prejudice of the people in their personal and social relationship are studied by this branch. Experimental psychology. This branch of psychology describes and explains the ways and means of carrying out psychological experiments along scientific lines under controlled laboratory situations for the study of mental processes and behavior. It takes up animals, birds, and human beings as subjects of this experiment. Physiological psychology. This branch of psychology describes and explains the biological and physiological basis of behaviors, the internal environment, and physiological structure of the body, particularly the brain, nervous system, and functions of the glands in relation to the psychomotor, cognitive, and effective behavior of human being comprises its subject matter. Parapsychology. This new branch of psychology deals with extrasensory perception, precognition, cases of claimed reverts, telepathy, and aligned phenomena. Geopsychology. This branch of field of psychology which describes and explains physical environment, particularly weather, climate, and soil and landscape with behavior noto 2001. Geopsychology is the branch of the psychology which deals with the study of cognitive process in response to its environment through behavior. The last one is developmental psychology. The branch of psychology describes and explains process and products of groups and development in relation to the behavior of an individual from birth to old age. Added to convenience, it is further subdivided into branches such as child psychology, adolescent psychology, and adult psychology. If this is your first time to visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe for our next exciting videos.